What is the full form of COVID-19? Answer: Coronavirus disease of 2019. Which organization gave the name COVID-19? Answer: WHO, World Health Organization. Where was the first case of COVID-19 identified? Answer: Wuhan, China. When was WHO named COVID-19? Answer: 11 February 2020. Where was the first case of coronavirus seen outside China? Answer: Thailand. When was the first official lockdown announced in India? Answer: 24 March 2020. For how many days first lockdown occurred in India? Answer: 21 days. Who announced the first lockdown in India? Answer: Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Janta curfew was held on. Answer: 22 March 2020. Where was the first COVID-19 patient found in India? Answer: Kerala. Why is it called coronavirus? Answer: due to its crown-like structure. When was first COVID-19 case found in India? Answer: 30 January 2020. When did the WHO declare COVID-19 as global pandemic? Answer: 11 March 2020. Which test is done to check COVID-19? Answer: viral test and antibody test. Which app launched from Government of India for COVID-19 awareness? Answer: Arogya Setu. When was the Arogya Setu app launched? Answer: 2 April 2020. Which state was first to do lockdown due to COVID-19? Answer: Rajasthan. Coronavirus affects which part of body? Answer: lungs. What was the first name given by scientists to coronavirus? Answer: SARS-CoV-2. What was the main symptoms of COVID-19? Answer: fever, cough and difficulty in breathing. From which language is the name coronavirus originated? Answer: Latin. What is the name of the test of coronavirus? Answer: RT-PCR. Which app has been launched by Punjab to make you aware of the coronavirus? Answer: Kova Punjab. A disease that can be transmitted to humans from animals is called? Answer: zoonotic. Which medicines has India exported to America? Answer: hydroxychloroquine. Who started Operation Namaste to tackle with coronavirus? Answer: Indian Army. Which state chief minister launched the self-declaration COVID-19 app? Answer: Nagaland. What feature Facebook has launched in India to make aware of the coronavirus? Answer: Coronavirus Information Center. What feature has WhatsApp launched in India to make you aware of the coronavirus? Answer: WhatsApp chatbot. What new website has Google launched to make you aware of the coronavirus? Answer: google.com/COVID-19. Which is the first country in the world to eliminate coronavirus? Answer: New Zealand. What does V in the word COVID-19 mean? Answer: virus. How much aid has India announced in SAARC COVID-19 emergency fund? Answer: $10 million. Social app Instagram has launched which feature to make its users aware of the coronavirus? Answer: Instagram feed. How many countries, areas or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreak in the world? Answer: more than 200. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal? Answer: monkeys. Which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? Answer T cell. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Answer plasma therapy. Hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine are which type of drugs? Answer anti-malarial. In corona, which zone refers as hot spots? Answer red zone. When did Indian Air Force shower flowers on corona warriors? Answer 3 May 2020. Due to COVID-19, Tokyo Olympics is cancelled for how many years? Answer 1 year. Which app is launched by Government of India to track corona infected people? Answer Corona Kavach. Which country's PM is infected with corona? Answer Russia. Which country president is infected by corona? Answer United States. First country to register COVID-19 vaccine? Answer Russia. Which country is affected by hantavirus? Answer China. India's biggest hospital for COVID treatment constructed in which state? Answer Odisha. Which city's hospitals using robots for treating corona patients? Answer Jaipur. Which scheme started by IIT Gandhinagar during lockdown? Answer ISAC scheme.